Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't join Google Meet call. If you are using Google Meet and you are having an issue that you can't join Google Meet calls, let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, here you have to search for Google Meet or Meet app and you'll get the app here. Or if you are having any issue that you can't join any Google Meet calls. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet or Wi-Fi connection. So just scroll down your quick settings, and here you'll get different settings, or you can easily access the settings from your settings app. So open up settings, and from here you have to make sure that your airplane mode is disabled and you have connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection with the strongest internet speed. Once you have that, so you can easily make Google Meet calls. But if you are having the same issue, so you have to switch between app and browser. For example, if you're using Google Meet website on your computer or laptop, so you might have to use Google Meet app on your phone. Or if you're having using phone or app, so you must have to use Google Meet on your browser. Or if you are having an issue that if you, it might be Google might down, so you have to open up your browser, and here you have to search for a website which is down detector. Just open that, and here simply go to search, and you have to search for Meet or Google Meet here, and you will get the Google Meet here. And just tap on it, and from here you can just check if your Google Meet is not running well or it's down. So in this way you can easily fix that if you can't join Google Meet call. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.